They say we are where we are in life because of who we are in life. And who we are is a function of the decisions we make in life. Because in life, we make decisions, and those decisions make our future. You see, with this in mind, you would agree with me that the decisions we make in life is fundamental to the future we end up having. It is fundamental to the sort of life we live. So if you could grant me a few minutes of your time today, I would like to talk to you about how to make the right decisions in life. Because of course, we all know how to make decisions in life, but what we don't always know is if the decisions we make is right or not. In life, some things are taught and some things are caught. The ability to make the right decisions in life is one of those things that is not always taught in any academic institution. And this is why most people stumble from one bad decision to another and eventually ending up in a place of regret, a life of regrets. However, today, I would be intentional and deliberate as I seek to guide you through certain principles of making the right decision. Because the decisions we make in life is fundamental to our ability to reach and live our dreams. Of course, we all know that there are many factors to consider in making the right decisions. Factors such as what is important to you as a person? What do you stand to lose in doing this? Are you doing this for you or for someone else? Who stands to get hurt off the back of the decisions you make? What do you stand to gain? And there are many other factors that are important, but sad to say, as humans who are predominantly controlled by our greed and emotions, most of us end up making our decisions in life based on one factor alone, a factor which happens to be the least important of them all. What do we stand to gain? And because we're so focused on that which we stand to gain, we never see that which we stand to lose. Because in life, that which you focus on the longest will ultimately become your strongest. It will pull you towards itself. For this same reason, a man who is broke gambles with his last money. Because he's focused on that which he stands to gain, not considering that which he stands to lose. For this same reason, most people betray a loving relationship for just a few minutes of pleasure, not considering that which they stand to lose. For the same reason, most criminals end up in jail because they are so focused on that which they stand to gain, never considering that which they stand to lose. Never considering who stands to get hurt for their decisions in life. As you contemplate on that which you've heard today, I'd like you to reflect on your life and review the decisions you've made in life recently and ask yourself this one simple question. What do you stand to lose? Because of course, if you could just stop to ask yourself this one simple question in life before making your decisions, I promise you, a lot of the decisions you've made in life would have gone the other way. For more insights, hit the subscribe button.